everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So guess where I'm at? We're at the Dollar Tree, guys. So let me try to show you what they have, because not all the Dollar Trees are carrying the same thing. So I like those jars. Okay, and here's one with the leaves, so that's really nice. Now these are new to my Dollar Tree. I don't know if you could tell, they have that ball in the center. So let me show you what they look like here. And then they have the next size down, which would be actually 3 sizes. All right, so here is the first one, here's the second one, and here's the next size down. And they're heavy duty. Okay, they're heavy duty. So you have this one, and this one. I hope you can see that. And let's start over here. So we have these in the gray, and here it is in the white. And I've seen these before. I like the beige. Okay, and then we have these votives. I like these. They're so dainty, and I like this color. So I'm just trying to show you. Let's go like section by section. These are very good. Candle holders, I like those. And I like these. These are nice when you're labeling stuff and storing stuff. And look at this, a nice pretty pink. This is the darker pink, this is the lighter pink, and this is the white. So these are nice. Then here you have these. It's a nice color, and here's the black and white stripe, which I like. Not really sure I like this one, but I do like these. So this is a new shape right here, I can tell you. I'm not used to seeing this shape at the Dollar Tree. And yep, those are the colors they have of that. And then they have this kind here. So I'm not sure if your Dollar Tree's carrying that. There's some more of those that I just showed you. Over here we have some diffusers. Okay, for $1.25. These items I'm showing you are $1.25. Now somebody took this from the plus section and put it here. That is not $1.25. Then we have these baskets, which I think are really cute. I gotta think of some DIYs with those. Then you have the votive holders, which come in a row. You get 4 in the pack, and I believe that's $1.25. Then you have these votives right here. Okay, with the tea light already in them. This is the silver, and they also have the gold. Then you have those LED candles, and look at this, they have the blue and the white. And the black, is that black or green? That's green. Okay, then you have the roses, which I think we've seen before, and these are the ones that I love. They're so pretty. The regular tea light holders, and I believe these are for water. Okay, let's see. Here you have the lanterns. And I also like this shape. All right, so here, this is a nice shape, also a nice color. Then they have these jars, iridescent. Somebody placed this here. So these are the ones with the little crystals and the lights. Then you have these votive holders, which I also like. I like the fact that they come in different textures. And this is nice too. This is I think those are pumpkins. Okay, those are candle holders. And then they have this shape. I like this shape. And these little round fishbowl ones, these are coming smaller. Let's see, I like this size. This is new. It's a new size, guys. I like these. You gotta see those in person. Now the glass, you gotta be careful. They're a little bit more thinner. These are nice. And then you have these, if you like the mercury glass. These are nice because you can use them this way, or you can flip it around and use it that way. So those are kind of cute. Here's some more of the jars with the lids. These are the regular candle holders you normally see. These are, they've pretty been in the Dollar Tree for a little while, guys. So those are regular ones. Here are the trinket boxes, and I love these ribbed candle holders, LED, guys. I like those for $1.25. That's a great buy. Here's a new shape. Again, you can use it on this side, or you can flip it over and use it on that side. You have some wax melts here. These are the square vases. You always got to keep on top of this stuff because you never know. So you have the candles. I might get some candles. And then these have been out for a little while. Here's the golden, here is the black. Okay, let's see. So these are new candle holders. Unless I haven't seen them before, but these are new. Okay, these are all new. Then you have these candle holders here, and then these. So I never seen these guys, but these are nice for Christmas. And here's some more of those baskets. Then you have the tea lights, and these are incense holders in colors. I use them as lids. These are nice. This is really nice little accent pieces. I like the candles, guys. You got those, and then you have the mirrors, and then you have these. Aren't these nice? I like the wood. Okay, more candles. So let's see. Crimson cranberry scented candle. This looks like a nice little gift. There it is in the blue and the green. I like this little fishbowl, and I like these vases they're coming out with. So unless somebody stuck that there, then you also have the incense. This is the honey crisp. Yep, fragrance oil. Then you have these candle holders. All right, some more candles here. And these are kind of cute. Aren't they nice, guys? These are very nice, these. Lilac bloom. Here's a candle snuffer and some sashes. All right, so then we come over here to the lanterns. I'll tell you, this is the plus section. So you have this lantern here for $5. It's a nice looking lantern. I've always been attracted to this one. There's a smaller one. Then you have these lanterns, which I also love. And then you have the regular clear ones over there, the rib ones. And these are their candles. I wouldn't sleep on their candles, guys. They're pretty nice. Some of them are $3. And so these gift metal bow candles, lanterns, I mean, those are really nice, and they come in 2 or 3 sizes. Then you have the regular gold lanterns along the bottom. These are really nice, these lanterns, and this has LED lights inside. Yep. Okay, here's some more. Look at that, good vibes. It's a pretty big candle. These are $5. These are 3. These are $5 all the way across to the end, and these are nice too. So I'm liking these. And then I like these LED lights. I do. They look really nice. Okay? And I like them all in the white. I do like the amber color, but I like them all in the white. So, and this is the smaller ones of the bottom lanterns over here. So, look at that chalkboard ornaments and the bird. And here is, I'm not sure what that is, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.